Hello, I'm going to walk through how to add a story to an Orbitist map. So right now we're logged in as a student in an Orbitist map, and I'm going to click on Add to Map. We're going to put in a title for our story. I'm going to call this one Niagara Falls. We're going to select the unit that this story fits into. Units are decided by the teacher, and this one belongs in Western New York. The body of the story is the actual story itself, and I've prepared one. Your review question is a question about your story. These questions are used to generate quizzes that the teacher can generate random quizzes about any of the units. I'm going to ask, what did Mark Twain think of Niagara Falls? We can upload an image, and I have an image. If I click on Select Media and choose File, I can upload an image from the Downloads folder. Now we can also click on this Web tab, and we can go to an image on the internet, right click on it, copy the link, or copy image address rather, and then we can paste that right here, and that'll also do the same thing, but I'm going to upload an image. So I'm going to pick Niagara Falls and submit that. That'll upload. We can attach video or upload video. I recommend clicking on the Web tab for video and dropping the link to a Vimeo or a YouTube video. Here's a beautiful video from a drone over Niagara Falls. Drop that there, submit it. So it's attached our video. We can add sources. So here is virginia.edu, where I got a quote from Mark Twain. And the actual URL to the page is right here. We can add more sources by clicking this Add Another Item button. Now, we actually want to tell the people where Niagara Falls is. We could simply type in Niagara Falls, New York, and hit this Find Using Address field. And what that would do is it would just drop a point right on Niagara Falls. But I'm going to do it myself because I want to make sure it's right on the falls. So I'm going to come in here, navigate in. Oops, went a little too far. Let's get to Niagara Falls over here. You can use the zoom in, zoom out, or I think you can just double click like this. I think you can just double, I know you can just double click. Okay, and here are the falls. Now, I can, if I want to look at them in a satellite imagery, I can use Google Maps Hybrid. There we go. Nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this first little pencil here. That's a point. If I click that and drop the point, there we are. We have our point selected. Now let's say I wanted to draw a line that went across this bridge. I could click on the Line tool, click at the beginning of the bridge, and then double click at the end of the bridge to place my line. I can do the same thing with a polygon, which is basically to draw a shape. So if I wanted to draw this parking lot, I could click, 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 and then when I'm on my last point, double click to add the polygon. Now I just want a point, so I'm going to just use the pencil, drop my point on Niagara Falls, hit the Save button, and we're done. Now if we zoom in to Niagara Falls, you will see our awesome Niagara Falls story with video, review question, source, and everything. If you have any questions, please email support@orbitist.com. Thank you.